The KiBox2 is a versatile measurement and analysis system for all types of powertrains, from combustion engines to hybrids and fully electric systems. It enables real-time calculation for critical measurements, parameters, and metrics, both in the vehicle and on the test bench, featuring a compact, modular, and robust design. The KiBox2 is designed for maximum flexibility. A single unit supports up to 16 channels, and by cascading up to 4 devices, the system can handle the most demanding development requirements. With its modular amplifier concept, the KiBox2 can be easily adapted to a wide range of measurement tasks, fast, reliable, and directly configurable on-site as needed. With its low power consumption and a wide supply voltage range, the KiBox2 operates efficiently and is specifically optimized for in-vehicle use. The KiBox2 supports a wide range of input signals, from piezoelectric and piezoresistive sensors to universal voltage signals. External signals can be flexibly integrated via the digital interface or CAN. With KiBox2, high-resolution time-based data can be measured in real time. For angle-based measurements, a crank angle signal is required. This can come from an optical encoder mounted on the crankshaft, with or without signal conditioning electronics, or from the engine's own crankshaft sensor using the supplied adapter. The KiBox2 offers connectivity via Ethernet or Wi-Fi, or can operate autonomously in standalone mode with high-precision data synchronization for flexible connectivity. Seamlessly integrated and universally applicable, the KiBox2 offers simple connection options to test bench systems and ECU calibration tools. KiBox2 works seamlessly with the cockpit software. A network setup assistant is available on the KiBox product page. Setup is easy. Just ensure the device and computer are on the same IP address range. The software indicates the successful connection of the KiBox. After parameterization in the intuitive cockpit software, the KiBox2 enables precise real-time measurement, data acquisition, and live display. The recorded data can be visualized in the software or exported to various data formats for analysis. With a careful handling and regular inspections, precise and reliable measurement results can be ensured. Kistler offers comprehensive services nearby.